And lastly, Z is for zany words. This one's titled Skimble Scamble. Some poems are filled with zany words that make you laugh when they are heard. They look real long and hard to say, but make the poem joke and play. Sometimes the poet makes words up, like pickly poo and skanzanzel cup, but sometimes these strange words are real, like wallaroo and glockenspiel. So if a quidnut quickly skedaddles, lickety split to tell and tattle, then you've written a poem all skimble scamble, with words where nonsense seems to ramble. Just tell the that little nosy girl that you like words that swip and flurl, and don't get irky or contrary if they're not found in a dictionary. I like this poem. So on the next slide, you are going to tell me what has been your favorite type of poem and why.